The world of business is evolving, and so is asset tracking. No more outdated, costly methods, third-party dependencies, delays, and inaccuracies. Introducing Airtel SuperTracker, the easy way to track assets. 3 times more affordable than traditional GPS. Battery-powered tracking with a 1-hour location ping frequency for up to 192 days. No wiring hassles. Just plug, place, and track. IoT-powered dashboard to monitor assets anytime, anywhere. Geofencing for instant alerts if a shipment crosses boundaries. Customizable tracking frequency for updates every 2 minutes or 24 hours. Route replay. See full shipment journey, spot deviations, and take action in real time. Perfect for any industry, from logistics and e-commerce to FMCG and manufacturing. Airtel SuperTracker. Asset tracking. Simplified. Switch today and experience the intelligent way to monitor your valuable assets and shipments.